Commercial tube assembly. Tools required: reversible drill, hammer, socket set, wrench set, razor knife, measuring tape, 1/2-inch masonry drill bit, 1/4-inch drill bit, 5/16 hex driver bit, center punch. Drilling and bolting a commercial tube. First, line up the joiner section so that the V-groove of the joiner is in line with the V-groove on the tube. Then slide half of the joiner into the tube. Next, with a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill through the pre-drilled holes. There should be 8 holes in total. When all 8 holes are drilled, slide the 4 bolts through and secure with a lock nut. Be careful not to over-tighten the lock nut, as you could warp the tube. After one side of the joiner is secure, slide the next part of commercial tubing over the joiner, making sure that the V-grooves are lined up. The holes should match the bolts that are already attached to the joiner. Now drill the joiner through the pre-drilled holes. Next, put the 4 bolts through the holes, followed by the lock nuts. Then tighten the lock nuts with a wrench, remembering not to over-tighten. For our smaller commercial tubes, there will only be one joiner. And for our larger ones, there will be two. Remember, there are always 8 bolts per joiner. Here is the finished bolting pattern.